Hi, welcome back to my channel. I love making friendship bracelets, but sometimes I have no clue what colors to use, so I've done the work for you and put together a bunch of color combos. Alrighty, first up is clear skies. Retro. Creamsicle. Cotton candy. Spring fever. Barbie. Seaside. Berry hibiscus. Tutti frutti. Pink lemonade. Outer Banks. Grapevine. Sunset. Nemo. Rainbow. Sunshine. And bubblegum. So that's all for this quick little video. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was able to help you out and give you a bit of inspo on what colors to use. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!